Hi, I'm Krista. I'm a certified Notion expert and system designer with a backend software development background. For the past 5 years, I've been building custom setups and templates for people who want their tools to actually work for them. And I've helped thousands learn to use Notion in a clear, simple way with the help of my educational content. This class is for anyone who wants to understand where their time goes, whether you're tracking your own work or your whole team's. We'll build a convenient and thoughtful time tracking system in Notion with timers, buttons, dashboards, and smart formulas that do the math for you. Within the class, you can either build everything from scratch or extend your existing task management system with time tracking capabilities. You will be able to log your sessions and see how much time every task and project takes. And you will see your time tracking analytics by month, by person, by project. And you won't have to figure anything out on your own. We'll go step by step, and you will have access to a companion document with all the formulas that we use in the class. Okay, now let's take a look at the project that we are going to build together.